If your healthcare organization is running at high volume, chances are you can see what your providers are doing, but you can't always see what the activity is worth. Providers sitting below capacity while the schedule looks full, denial dollars piling up from the same root causes month after month, margin eroding across service lines, not because volume is down, but because the wrong volume is up. And the result? Value leaks quietly. And by the time it shows up in a financial report, the month is already closed. Hi, I'm Alp Acterys, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at FP Automation. We turn Microsoft Fabric into a central hub for planning, EPM, and unified analytics. And today I want to show you exactly what that looks like for healthcare providers operating in ERP systems like AdvancedMD and others that we partner with. Across this video series, we will be reviewing a healthcare provider reporting and analytics application built entirely inside Microsoft Fabric with Power BI at the front end. Later in the series, we'll show you how this becomes a full planning and scenario modeling platform powered by EPM tools like Acterys. This is not just a read-only dashboard. Your leadership team can see the problem, model the fix, and take action right here to protect margins as well as maximize top-line revenue opportunities for your organization. We will be walking through 6 areas where the direct impact to your bottom line can be immediately seen. First, we'll be starting with utilization. Are your healthcare providers at capacity, under the capacity, or stretched thin in the wrong areas? We surface whether there's a staffing problem or a demand problem and allow you to action off and pull the right lever to be able to maximize top-line revenue opportunity. Second, we'll be talking about a complementary report that you can utilize like the caseload management report. We have built this report for many healthcare organizations, which allows their team to be able to see which patients have future appointments and which patients do not have future appointments, enabling the administration team of the organization to continue to follow up and get appointments booked to maximize healthcare providers' patient care, along with giving you the ability to charge and maximize top-line revenue opportunity for the organization to continue to add hold to your services. Third, we'll be talking about patient appointment frequency. Which appointment types are trending up or down, and which patient segments are driving that? Visibility into patterns like this can help you to protect volume where it matters most and predict in the future where exactly your patients will be booking appointments with your organization. Fourth, we'll be talking about charges versus payments. Where are your highest outstanding collections? Which insurance classes are you underperforming in? We can connect reimbursement performance directly to your revenue picture, enabling you to focus on where you should be collecting. And fifth, we'll be talking about denial claim analyses. What's being denied? Is it a recurring pattern? And can corrective action be taken before these dollars are written off? This is where early detection pays for itself, enabling you to maximize the margin and collections for your opportunity. And sixth, and last but not least, margin analyses. Revenue and cost trends over time broken down by service line and charge code so you can see exactly which services are profitable and which are consuming margin you can't afford to lose. Before a tool like this, provider leaders could see spend and volume in reports, but the actual decisions still happen in spreadsheets and email threads, disconnected, slow, and always a month behind. With this reporting foundation, you get early visibility into where value is leaking, and in the next phase of this series, we'll show you how exactly tools like Acterys can turn visibility into action with driver-based planning, staffing scenario modeling, and forecast accuracy built on operational data, not lagging summaries. We help you to centralize your data to create one unified canonical model for operational and financial reporting and insight. So with that being said, let's get into it. We'll see you in the next video series. Thank you, and this is Alp signing out.